Modern Ioniq 5 is an ideal choice for the next generation of robot taxis. Motional to launch fully driverless public robotaxi service starting in 2023 by Hyun-bin. Karl Iagnemma, CEO of Motional, believes Hyundai Motor Group's Ioniq 5 electric vehicle is the optimal platform to become the company's next-generation robotaxi. Hyundai Motor unveiled the Ioniq 5 electric vehicle in February of last year. The compact crossover is the first model developed on the Hyundai Electric Global Modular platform. It's the right vehicle for us from a sustainability perspective. The Ioniq 5 robotaxi represents the two most transformative technologies in mobility coming together: electrification and autonomy. This is a zero-emissions robotaxi that will not only make transportation safer and more accessible, it'll make it more sustainable, Iagnemma said in a written interview during the Consumer Electronics Show last week. The efficiency of the powertrain delivers ultra-fast charging and long-range driving will need minimal charges throughout the day. The CEO added that the Ioniq 5 robotaxi will be preferred by consumers, highlighting its sleek design that celebrates the advanced driverless technology and a spacious, comfortable interior for passengers to work, socialize, or relax during their driverless ride. Last month, Motional announced it will launch autonomous deliveries in partnership with Uber Eats in Santa Monica, California. This is a first-of-its-kind partnership that marks Motional's entry into autonomous delivery and Uber Eats' first partnership with an autonomous vehicle company for delivery. The deliveries will be conducted in Motional's next-generation robotaxi based on the all-electric Ioniq 5 developed through a strategic partnership with Hyundai. Autonomous delivery presents a significant new market opportunity for Motional in the U.S. Demand for food delivery has doubled since the start of the pandemic, and the use of mobile food delivery apps was up 20% in 2021, the company said. We're also evolving to a dual-purpose product strategy, where we'll alternate between transporting passengers for ride-hail and conducting autonomous deliveries throughout the day in response to demand. This will enable us to maximize the time our robotaxis are on the road operating a revenue-generating service. Motional formed in March 2020 as an autonomous driving joint venture between Hyundai Motor Group and Aptiv, a global industrial technology leader in advanced safety, electrification, and vehicle connectivity. Motional was created to advance the development and commercialization of high-performance and high-safety autonomous vehicles. We began fully driverless testing in early 2021 and will be launching a driverless public robotaxi service starting in 2023. That service will launch in Las Vegas, before expanding to other markets globally, he said. We're the only one in our industry to have partnerships with Lyft, Via, and Uber Eats. Partnerships with these global on-demand networks are critical to scaling driverless technology. Motional is well positioned to reach millions of customers through its ride-hail and delivery services. Motional's team has decades of expertise in driverless technology and unrivaled experience in operating commercial robotaxi services. The company has moved hundreds of thousands of consumers through its self-driving service on the Lyft network in Las Vegas, the world's most established public robotaxi fleet. Every aspect of the rider experience is backed by our extensive experience and years of research, and is designed to deliver a ride that's safe, comfortable, and enjoyable for passengers. We're confident our passengers will become early adopters once they experience their first ride, the CEO said. We've been able to incorporate these learnings into the development of the Ioniq 5 robotaxi. The vehicle is equipped with a suite of rider touchpoints that will allow a passenger to autonomously interact with the robotaxi throughout their ride.